1. The government of Telangana has taken up double bedroom housing schemes to the weaker sections in the state. Accordingly, 400 houses are allotted in Adibhatla village in Sarur Nagar Mandal. Street lighting, drinking water supply and formation of internal roads from bus stop are to be provided to the housing colony. Bus shelter is also required at the main road. Draft a representation from the President Adibhatla Housing Colony Welfare Association requesting for sanction of above amenities in the colony addressed to the District Collector Rangareddy. Also mark a copy to the Chairman Jilla Parishad Rangareddy District. 2. Draft a tender notice from Chief Engineer Rural Water Supply Scheme Telangana Government Hyderabad inviting sealed tenders from registered and experienced contractors for laying of drinking water pipelines in various districts of the state under Mission Bhagiratha. Estimated cost rupees 300 crores. Period of contract is 1 year. Tender schedules are available in the office on all working days between 10th and 17th of June 2016 on payment of rupees 60,000 through demand draft. Tenders will be received up to 2 p.m. on 20th June 2016 and opened on the same day at 4 p.m. before bidders' presence. 3. Draft an advertisement for the post of Private Secretary in Reserve Bank of India, Mumbai. The candidate who is applying is required to have passed graduation besides passing higher grade in English typewriting and shorthand examinations conducted by the State Board of Technical Education and Training, proficiency in English with pleasing personality expected. Candidates having computer knowledge will be preferred. Interested candidates may apply within 10 days from today. Candidates are required to enclose the Xerox copies of their certificates duly self-attested and mail to Post Box number 234, Mumbai, India. Selected candidates will be called for interview. 4. You are a qualified commerce graduate from Palamuru University. You have secured first rank in law entrance test, but your provisional degree certificate and marks memo is not received due to corrections in spelling mistake of your name. Last date for receipt of applications for law degree in Osmania University is 20th July. Write a representation to the Principal University Law College, Hyderabad, requesting him to consider your request for admission, promising to submit the same as early as possible on receiving the same after carrying out the corrections. Also enclose a declaration of Palamuru University to this effect.